In section 6.2, the definitions of trig functions were restricted to acute angles. In this section, we're going to extend those definitions to cover any angle. When theta is an acute angle, the definitions here coincide with those given in the preceding section. Let's derive these trig functions of any angle. So here we have our angle theta drawn in standard position. If our angle is in standard position, its reference angle is the acute angle theta prime formed by the terminal side of theta in the horizontal axis. So if I'm trying to visualize that here in this triangle, here's my terminal side. I extend it down to this horizontal x-axis. And this angle here is theta prime, or my reference angle. So if you notice, I have created a regular right triangle with the base being my x value and the height being my y value, and our radius is r. Now, in order to find r, I do the Pythagorean theorem and solve. R is the square root of x squared plus y squared, and that is always true. So r, the radius of our angle, is always like the hypotenuse of our triangle that's created by the reference angle. And then, if you notice that y is always your opposite, x is always your adjacent, and r being the hypotenuse, we can see that sine theta is y over r, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is x over r, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is y over x, opposite over adjacent. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, adjacent over opposite. Secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. And cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite. So now we can use our reference angles to find the trig functions of any angle in standard position.